Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to today's Sephora Vib sale haul. The sale actually ended a month ago, literally like a month ago, and I finally received 3 different orders. I placed 3 different orders, and literally placing them a day apart from each other made one box come 2 weeks after the other boxes. But without further ado, you guys have waited long enough for this one, so I'm just gonna show you what I bought from Sephora. Start with this box. It's a little bit heavier, and honestly I have no idea what I even bought because it's been so long. It's been a month. First up, we picked up Purity Made Simple Moisturizer. So this is my go-to moisturizer that I love putting on before my makeup, and I wear it all the freaking time. Best moisturizer ever. It is super lightweight, it doesn't make you oily. I have combo skin, and this is just my ride or die moisturizer. So next up, I picked up the Purity Made Simple face wash. So this is it, and I got a smaller version this time. I thought it was gonna be bigger than this, to be honest. I usually buy this guy. It is the value jumbo size, and I went for the size down, which I think there was like a $10 difference between the 2 bottles, $10–15, which highly recommend getting this one. It's obviously a value size, so it is better value for the price. But this time I actually went with the smaller one because I've actually been using 2 different face cleansers. In my last Sephora haul, I was telling you guys that I came across this face cleanser in a kit. So I do use both cleansers the exact same time, like the same day. Going with this one, do a first round to clean my makeup, and just to ensure everything is completely off my face, I go on with this one. And honestly, I feel like it has just been doing so well. My skin has been loving my whole skincare routine, and I've been able to focus more on it. Obviously right now you can see a bit of breakouts, but it is hormonal breakouts. Yes, it is your girl's time of month. Sorry if that's TMI, but like we all go through it. So I do have hormonal breakouts, but before that my skin was like thriving and like we're good. So I don't have that many either. It's just like a couple big ones where you can see around my face and all of that. So that's why I ended up sizing down for this one, and I do have a full size of the face wash in one of these boxes, so we'll get to that eventually. Next up, I picked up a black beauty blender. This is my go-to beauty blender out of all the colors. You guys can't sit here and tell me that all the colors of the beauty blenders are the same. They're not the same. The black beauty blender is my go-to beauty blender. I know there's different colors and everything. I used to use the pink one, and then I tried the black one. There's just something about the black one that I just like the way it applies and my makeup looks when I use the black one. Next, I got, oh my gosh, these are so soft. These are the Shiezdo, I don't know how to pronounce this, but these are facial cotton pads. Just alone in the packaging, it feels so soft and fluffy, bouncy. And this was a ginormous pack of 165 sheets for, I think it was $10 or $11. Oh, they're thick. These are so nice. And then the last thing, or 2 last things in this box, is another one of these Invisibobble hair ties in black. Again, in my last haul that I did prior to the VIB sale, I had picked up a couple things and I put it on the day the sale went live. If you haven't seen that video, it'll be up here where you can click it, or in the description. But I did talk about these and I love them, so I had to pick up another one. There are like 3 of them for $11, but they are the best hair ties. I cannot stress that enough. I can tie up my hair, go to sleep with it, leave them tied, and when you take it off, there will be no crease in it. You just brush it out and your hair looks perfectly fine. For my hair, it has just been amazing, so I needed to buy another one. I have so many colors, so many of them, but I just love having them everywhere when I need a hair tie, go-to hair tie. And then we've got the Briogeo Besties. I was convinced by so many people on YouTube and Instagram about this brand. So also my boyfriend's sister has been telling me about it forever, and she really loves it, but I never just bit the bullet on it. Like, I have a pretty solid hair care that I love. It's been working for me and I'm like satisfied with it, but I caved when I saw this on the sale. It's like a mini kit with a bunch of their products, so I figured I can try it out first. I don't know if I'm gonna like it or not. First off, it comes in this like travel pouch, green travel pouch. It is a soft, like flimsy material. Has tissue, more tissue. Oh my god, these products are so small. We have a Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask, the Scalp Revival Charcoal Coconut Oil, a Farewell Frizz Blow Dry Perfection and Heat Protectant Cream. Oh, this will be good when I do my natural hair because it gets frizzy. Be Gentle, Be Kind Banana Plus Coconut Nourishing Superfood Conditioner. And then we just have the shampoo to the conditioner. So this is everything that came in the kit. It was about like $35. And now this box, I opened it already because I was super excited for this. It's Are You Hot or Not Heat Reactive Color Changing Nail Polish Duo from Nails Inc. I actually am wearing the pink one. I know it looks this color, but it's this color when it is cold and this color when I am warm. Obviously right now I'm warm. When this is over, I'll just go quickly run my hands under cold water and you can see it change and it goes to this color. But I love this color. I love both colors. First of all, like the pinks. I haven't tried the gray just yet. I painted it like 5-ish days ago and none of them have chipped. They are lasting super well. So every time I go outside and if it's cold, you can see the nails kind of do this like really pretty ombre effect where by the tips they'll get dark pink and they'll still be like warmer closer to my hand. So it is so pretty. I'm always like just looking at my nails waiting for them to change. So I highly recommend this. It was super affordable too. I want to say both of these was a pack of $17, I want to say, if I'm not mistaken. Next, we picked up the 100% organic cold press Moroccan argan oil. So another ordinary product. I put this in my hair, leave it in my hair, go to bed, and then shower, wash it off with my head. So that's what I use that one for. I also picked up this jumbo size of the hyaluronic acid 2% plus B5. I picked it up not too long ago and I have just been using the bottle like no tomorrow, and they came out with a jumbo size. So I picked up the jumbo size. This is the jumbo size and this is the mini size. I'm low on this one. So I picked up the jumbo one and I have just been loving this. My skin has been loving this. It's very like glowy, healthy, and I wake up my skin glowing. So definitely pick this one up. Still super affordable for being a jumbo size. And then I picked up, as I mentioned, the face cleanser from First Aid Beauty. So this is the full size. I guess the other one was a sample size, but this was a decent sample size. So that's the difference. Honestly, I would have thought this was a full size one. I was expecting to get this one again. I thought this was a full size one, but I guess this is the full size one. So that's the difference. On to box number 3. This was a super small box. Alright, so I picked up in this box the Sephora Hair Scalp Massager, which honestly, if you haven't seen my Amazon video, I have an Amazon video that TikTok made me buy. I ended up picking up scalp things on Amazon for way cheaper. This alone was, I think, $13 for one, but on Amazon it is a pack of 2 of them, a pink one and a blue one, for $13. So it was a no-brainer that I picked those ones up. I don't know if I'm gonna keep with this one, but I highly recommend going and buying it on Amazon because it is way cheaper. You get more for your money and it's the same price, and it came way faster than this guy did. So yeah, this is the last thing that I picked up from the Sephora haul, and now I will just go in and show you all the samples and stuff that I redeemed. The first one that I got was the Idoli Lancome Paris perfume. We have the Dr. Jart's Cream Liquid Moisturizing Toner and Moisture Retention Shield. Kat Von D perfume, which is thinner. I'm almost certain they just gave me random samples. I don't remember ordering those ones. And we have the Diva Curl Ultra Defining Gel. Ooh, I'm excited for this. I also got this sample. It's a shampoo and conditioner duo. Then I redeemed my birthday reward and I just picked up the Bum Bum Brazilian cream and the Coco Cabana cream set. Super small. I didn't know it was going to be so small. I thought it was going to be bigger. I haven't had this one. I've had the other one, the Bum Bum cream that everybody has. Oh my gosh, this one is so good. I want to say I think I like it better than this one. I don't know which one I like better actually. They both smell so good, and now your girl needs this because I've been washing my hands like crazy, sanitizing like crazy, and they're getting dry. So I got that one, and I also picked up this. It is so small. It is the Laura Mercier translucent powder, and it was 100 points, but look how small. This is literally the size of a quarter. So I put 100 points for this little guy. To be honest, I got it for traveling. I just like mini sizes for traveling, so I'm gonna keep this one. I have trips that I want to go on that were planned and got canceled, so being positive and, you know, hoping to go on those sooner rather than later. If you like this and this is your ride or die, definitely check out the ColourPop translucent no filter setting powder. Amazing, phenomenal, work just as good for so much cheaper, like so much cheaper. And that's what I go to. I will have my get ready with me. I have a Gerard Cosmetics get ready with me, so watch that one as well. You can see all my everyday products and what I personally like to use on my makeup. But yeah guys, that is everything for this long overdue Sephora Vib sale haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Sorry that it was late. It was literally not my fault. But don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye!